Have you ever wondered if you're eating too much fat? Fat is an essential part of our diet, but too much of it can lead to a variety of health issues. In this video, we'll explore the signs that you might be consuming too much fat and what you can do about it. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest health tips and guides. Alright, let's talk about fat. Not all fats are created equal. While we need some fat in our diet for energy and to support cell growth, too much fat, especially from unhealthy sources, can cause various health issues. First up, weight gain. Have you noticed the numbers on the scale creeping up lately? Fats are packed with calories, more than double that of proteins and carbs. If you're eating a lot of fatty foods, especially the unhealthy kind, those extra calories can quickly add up, leading to weight gain. It's not just about the scale, though. Clothes feeling tighter? Noticing extra inches around your waist? These could be signs that your fat intake is too high. When you consume more calories than your body needs for energy, the excess is stored as fat, leading to weight gain. It's easy to underestimate the calorie content of high-fat foods, so keeping an eye on portion sizes can help manage your intake. Next, let's talk about cholesterol. Consuming too much saturated and trans fats can elevate your LDL levels. High LDL levels can clog your arteries, putting you at risk for heart disease and stroke. If your doctor has mentioned high cholesterol levels during your checkup, it might be time to examine your diet and reduce those unhealthy fats. Foods high in saturated fats include fatty cuts of meat, full-fat dairy products, and certain oils. Trans fats, often found in processed foods like baked goods and margarine, are particularly harmful. Consider incorporating more heart-healthy fats, such as those from fish, nuts, and olive oil, to help manage your cholesterol levels. Frequent bloating, diarrhea, or stomach discomfort. These could be signs your digestive system is struggling with your fat intake. High-fat foods take longer to digest, which can lead to all sorts of tummy troubles. If you're constantly feeling bloated or experiencing gastrointestinal discomfort, it might be worth looking at the amount and type of fat you're eating. Fatty foods can also slow down the emptying of the stomach, causing that uncomfortable, full feeling. Additionally, a high intake of greasy or fried foods can overwhelm your digestive system, leading to symptoms like diarrhea or stomach pain. Opt for lighter meals with balanced macronutrients to ease digestion. Ever feel like you're in a constant fog or just dragging through your day? Fatty foods can be heavy and slow down your digestion, making you feel sluggish and low on energy. If you're finding it hard to stay awake or motivated, your diet might be to blame. Swap out some of those heavy fats for lighter, nutrient-dense foods and see if your energy levels improve. When your body is focused on digesting large amounts of fat, it diverts energy from other functions, leaving you feeling tired. Try incorporating more whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables into your meals to boost your energy levels. Let's talk about skin for a minute. Consuming excessive fats, especially from unhealthy sources like fast food and junk food, can wreak havoc on your skin. If you're noticing more breakouts, oily skin, or other skin issues, it could be linked to your diet. High-fat diets can increase sebum production, leading to clogged pores and acne. Additionally, processed and fatty foods can cause inflammation, which may exacerbate skin conditions. Try incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats like those from avocados and nuts to help clear things up. These foods are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that promote healthy skin. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Did you know that what you eat can affect your joints? A diet high in unhealthy fats can lead to inflammation in the body, which might result in joint pain or exacerbate existing joint issues. Saturated fats and trans fats are known to increase inflammatory markers in the body. If you're experiencing more aches and pains than usual, it might be worth considering how much fat you're consuming and where it's coming from. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain. Balancing your fat intake by reducing unhealthy fats and increasing healthy ones can make a significant difference. What's more, Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is a condition where too much fat builds up in your liver cells. This can happen if you consume too much unhealthy fat over time. Symptoms might not be obvious at first, but as the condition progresses, you might feel fatigued or notice discomfort in your upper right abdomen. The liver is responsible for processing nutrients and detoxifying the body, and excessive fat intake can impair its function. Reducing fat intake and improving your diet can help manage and even reverse this condition. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and fiber-rich vegetables to support liver health. Moreover, carrying extra weight due to high fat consumption can put pressure on your lungs and make it harder to breathe, especially during physical activity. If you're finding yourself short of breath more often, it could be linked to your diet. Excess weight, particularly around the abdomen, can restrict lung capacity and make breathing more difficult. Shedding some of that excess weight by cutting down on fatty foods can help improve your breathing and overall fitness. Regular exercise, along with a balanced diet, can help you maintain a healthy weight and keep your respiratory system functioning optimally. Ever notice that the more you eat something, the more you crave it? This is especially true with fatty foods. Eating a lot of fat can lead to more cravings for it, creating a vicious cycle. High-fat foods can trigger the release of dopamine, a feel-good hormone, making you want to eat more to get that same pleasure response. If you're constantly reaching for chips, fried foods, or creamy desserts, it might be a sign you're overdoing it. Try to break the cycle by introducing more balanced meals into your diet. Satisfy your cravings with healthier options like nuts, seeds, or yogurt, which provide good fats and keep you full longer. Last but not least, let's talk about heartburn. High-fat meals can cause the lower esophageal sphincter to relax, leading to acid reflux and that burning sensation known as heartburn. If you're frequently experiencing these symptoms after eating, your fat intake could be the culprit. Fatty foods take longer to digest, which means your stomach produces more acid, increasing the likelihood of reflux. Opt for smaller, low-fat meals to help keep your digestive system in check. Avoiding large, heavy meals and incorporating more lean proteins and fiber-rich foods can also help prevent heartburn. So there you have it, folks. 10 signs you might be eating too much fat. It's all about finding a healthy balance and making mindful choices about the fats you consume. Remember, not all fats are bad, but it's crucial to limit the unhealthy ones. By reducing your intake of fatty foods and opting for healthier fat sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, you can improve your overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and guides. Share this video with your friends and family to help them stay healthy too. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. We love hearing from you. And be sure to check out our previous videos for more nutritious tips and health advice. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.